If you want to know how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem, so you've came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we fix this problem. I had this problem, and as you can see now, I can easily follow this guy, for example. So in order to fix this, we need to use some steps. I'll show you from the easiest one to the hardest. So the first step we need to do is just to open App Store or Google Play, and then just search for TikTok. Maybe you have the latest version, not the latest version basically, so you need to update. If you have like open button or update button, click on it. So if you have the update, you'll have to download the latest version. As you can see, I don't have like the latest, but this feature is available as for me. So this is the first thing, how can we fix this problem. Probably even after updating, you'll be able to upload to new guys. So the next step we need to do to fix is just to open our settings and then just go to our storage. So on the iPhone, this page looks like this, and maybe on the Android it may look a little bit different. So here we need to find the TikTok basically. So it may take a little time because I have a lot of different apps, but we need to find exactly TikTok. So let's try to find, it should be somewhere here. As you can see, I have like tons of different apps, and the TikTok is right up here. So now all we need to do is just to click on upload app, and then we need to re-upload it. Basically, we can also try to delete and re-upload, but I don't want. So I strongly suggest you to click on upload app and then just re-upload all this stuff. And if even this part didn't help you, we need to do the last thing. So we need to click on profile on TikTok. Then just click on more in the right top corner, click on settings and privacy, and then just scroll down to find support and about. So after that, click on report a problem, and here we need to find the suitable topic as for us. I'm going to click on follow, likes and comments, so you can try to do the same. So after that, we need to click on following and unfollowing users. And here we need to click on no. And after that, we need to click on need more help. So all we need to paste now is just to input something like this. I can't follow. Help me, please. And then just click on submit. And the support of TikTok will receive our message, and probably in a few, maybe minutes or hours, they will help us. They will help us by fixing it by themselves, but we can still receive any instructions of how can we do it. So this is a way of how can we fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.